Ancient Hindu texts contain many references that some believe hint at advanced technology, suggesting that ancient civilizations might have used technology long before today's advancements. While many descriptions are often symbolic or mythological, here are a few notable examples. Vimanas. The Rigveda and Yajurveda mention flying chariots called Vimanas. A later text, the Vaimanic Shastra, described these machines in detail, including how they were built and powered. Although these accounts are mostly symbolic, they raise questions about ancient knowledge of flight. Brahmastra and other powerful weapons. The Mahabharata and Ramayana speak of powerful weapons like the Brahmastra, which some compare to modern nuclear weapons because of their destructive potential. This has led some to believe that ancient people understood advanced weapon technology. Indra's Vajra. Indra, the king of gods, uses the Vajra, a powerful weapon that can create lightning. Some think this might relate to electrical or laser technology, as it is described as indestructible and very strong. Sanjeevani. In the Ramayana, the Sanjeevani herb is used to bring Lakshmana back to life after he is injured. Some believe this herb represents advanced medical knowledge, possibly hinting at biotechnological innovations. Advanced architecture and city planning. Ancient cities like Dwarka and Lanka are described as highly advanced with sophisticated buildings and water systems. Archaeological finds in the Indus Valley civilization show impressive urban planning and engineering skills. Telepathy, teleportation, and communication. Many gods and sages in these texts are said to communicate over long distances using mental powers or Dimvidrishti, leading some to compare this to modern idea of telepathy or advanced communication. Astronomy and mathematics. Ancient texts like the Vedanga Jyotish provide detailed calculations of celestial movements, suggesting that ancient Indians had advanced knowledge in astronomy and mathematics. Cloning and genetic engineering. In the Mahabharata, Queen Gandhari gives birth to 100 sons from a single piece of flesh, which some interpret as a reference to cloning or advanced genetic techniques. Time travel and multiple universes. Hindu cosmology describes time as cyclical and includes various worlds. Some see parallels with modern physics concepts such as time dilation in stories like that of King Kakudmi, who traveled to the realm of Brahma and returned to find many ages had passed on earth. While these references are often viewed as metaphors for spiritual truths, they intrigue many and lead to debates about whether ancient Indians had access to advanced technology or knowledge that might have been lost over time. However, these interpretations are mostly speculative and debated among historians and scholars.